Guys, welcome back to our next video, people. Today we are up on the farm. We are cook some food, and we have two special guests on the farm today, peeps. We have Mixed Beauty Mel and Din Din on the farm, guys. Today we are going. Yeah, so I didn't record anything on the farm until I reached to the river, so you always see that. Look some pineapple. We are gonna look some food to cook out by the river. So you know that's gonna be a vibe. I head down right now to meet them. Yeah man, so y'all just stick and stay. So go on, remember to subscribe, guys, and like the video. Drop your comments down below. Let's go now. Guys, we made it out on the river. Here we have Mel. Now I get to swim today. So there you go. We have the pots and stuff right here. Then in the water. So I chop fish. But it's time for us to get our fire started. Already come off of the farm and get the fruits and so on. You guys are still that on Mel's channel. Yeah. Can't bring it up on farm every day. So right now, time to get the fire site set up.
What are you gonna do with the green farming?
No, I'm not gonna do them. No, we might roast this one or boil this one.
I realize which one they asked about.
Oh, the green one? No, I'm not gonna do that. Yeah, so see where we cook here. We have plantain here, so we have yam, cocoa, some more stuff in the pot. Yeah man, now some flour and so on. Along with some veggies. Callaloo, pop choy. But the time to get the fire set up. Yeah, we did. Need to do a steam? Yeah guys, so we have fresh vegetables. Gonna wash them now. Guys, we have cut up all of them here now. Fresh. Love you like a fresh vegetable. I say, so tell me if you love Tony Rebel. Yeah, let me have a cut up now.
No, you feel yourself problem now.
Poor Mel. Mel don't eat greens, so we're gonna give her the white part.
You're white.
Just fry up the green plant.
That is it.
And then eat the green plant.
Oh, so after we can just fry the platinum too. Okay. You don't eat right plantain? I know right nothing soft, I forgot. Yeah, go and yam up note for them food there now. You can stop now still. What are that now going?
No man, anything you want you cut out and do, you do man. I just want to know so you get some.
Remember, I said short.
Yeah, peeps, so time now, catch up the fire. Let's go and do that. Be advised over what a good thing.
I'm not telling you. Tell me your voice. I'm going to end the video. I am not listening to me.
Woo!
I am not listening to me.
I don't know what I'm about now, see it me too. You can see me drive me a cook.
podcast. Yo.
Yeah, people, so they put them on the fire now with water. We have a flour here, right here. So we're gonna need it right now. You know, bag burst. So I need some flour now, peeps. And some cocoa. Yeah, so all we need to know is make them the cook. Stay tuned.
Orange juice.
That's good.
I know,
I did it, you know. New tea.
So that me I say?
New tea.
Alright. 2 times. How much jumping now? 5?
1.
No, sir.
1?
2.
Hey, yeah, me the jump. This good football soup. How much have me before?
Who for that?
Yeah. How much in a pot?
Throw that in a pot one time.
Come on. Yeah, give me right button, right plant.
I don't eat that, you know.
Oh, too soft.
You know eat nothing, brother.
Yo. You don't want to yam, it's soft.
Things where you can't avoid.
Yo, stop it chatting over food and just hurry up, man.
You want to go?
You hear it say, God never teach you to shut your mouth. When you share food.
Shit, I'm about to this man, man.
See this talk. Boy, what you man say? Boy, God is great.
God is great.
God never teach you to shut your mouth.
Coco.
Shut your mouth and share food. Yeah, the man begs in a long time, man, in a line and wait for the food, you know. Imagine you're hungry, man. Smell this.
No?
Imagine you're hungry, man. Yeah, man, make sure you taste some, man. Put some on it.
Yeah, gravy nice. Want the gravy?
Yeah.
Gravy now go pepper.
Now put the pepper in it.
That's not too much.
Put it something
Put
on
it
it, something,
on
man.
the side.
Put it something on the dumpling, brother.
No, that's enough. Make it safe.
Like a dog food.
Hot, you know?
So guys, never.
That meal,
I
yeah,
don't
the
eat
best part
this
of
kind
food
of
in my
stuff.
yard.
Every time when you cook, you know, you take your seat best. Nothing wrong, me get it today.
You just put in this. You have to eat off so much food?
No worry about when you go do it. So, say, your food,
Veggies, you know?
I make food eat. Sardine spoon and never sit there. Cool.
So you eat food, yeah, man?
You have to go to whole ice.
Damn, you just have free, though.
Oh, the butt.
That's about everything I share out.
You have to go to whole ice there.
Not talk about man, look there. You can wipe out the pot.